Now we're going to solve a fun mystery involving the ages of five iconic movie monsters. We have clues about their ages, and we're given the numbers 7, 40, 100, 105, and 505. Let's break down the clues and figure out how old each one is. The zombie has been alive for an odd number of years. So let's look at our options: 7, 40, 100, 105, and 505. The only odd numbers here are 7, 105, and 505. Let's keep those in mind. Next, the vampire's age is a three-digit number. That means we can rule out the numbers 7 and 40 right away, as those are not three-digit numbers. So the vampire's age must be 100, 105, or 505. The mummy has been alive for exactly 400 years more than Frankenstein. That's the third clue. This clue tells us that the mummy is 400 years older than the Frankenstein. So if we know Frankenstein's age, we can figure out the mummy's age. We need to find a number where subtracting 400 gives us another valid age. So, how old is the werewolf? Finally, we have to determine the werewolf's age. By process of elimination, after we figure out the ages of the other monsters, the werewolf's age will be the remaining numbers. So now, let's solve the puzzles step by step. Let's start with the mummy and Frankenstein. The mummy's age is 400 years more than Frankenstein. So, if we look at the options, the number that makes sense is 505 for the mummy. Because if Frankenstein were 105 years old, the mummy would be 505. Because 105 plus 400 is equals to 505. So we have the mummy's age. That is 505. Now, let's figure out Frankenstein's age. Since the mummy is 505, Frankenstein must be 105. Let's figure out the vampire's age. The vampire is a three-digit number. So the only option left for the vampire is 100. Now let's move on to the zombie's age. The zombie has to be an odd number. The only odd number left is number 7. Finally, the werewolf. By process of elimination, the werewolf must be 40. Since since that's the last remaining number. To summarize, the zombie is 7 years old, the vampire is 100 years old, Frankenstein is 105, the mummy is 505 years old, and the answer of the question, how old is the werewolf? The werewolf is 40 years old. And that's how we solve it. Thank you.